Okay, so in the previous video, I did a quick addition of rigid body physics to this bag. And what we got was something along these lines, where it just sort of plops down and that's it. So I wanted to take a moment to see if we can't improve on that. So one of the things I'm thinking about is just simply adding uh, cloth, or actually soft body physics rather than rigid body. So one of the things, let's just do that really quickly. It's fairly straightforward. I'm going to just, in a new scene, and grab my cube, move it up a little bit. I will add a plane. Let's scale that up somewhat. And just like before, we'll go to the Physics tab. I will go ahead and add a passive rigid body to this plane. And quite simply, on this cube, I will go ahead and I will add soft body. We'll go ahead and push play. It'll take a moment, but oh, nothing's happening. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look. We've got goal checked. If we uncheck goal, that allows it to move from where it is to a different location. So let's go ahead and uncheck that and push play. Oh, that didn't work. So I think what I need to do is on the plane, rather than worrying about it being a rigid body, let's just create a collision. And we'll see what happens now. All right, now it's colliding. And we get this sort of jelly thing happening. So got some crazy things happening, but next step is going to be trying this again with more detail on models that have more geometry.